How to save a satellite that's still functional but has lost navigation control. Meet the European Space Agency's new RISE mission. Having to give up on a satellite that's fully operational is expensive and far from sustainable. ESA's Space Safety Program is working towards the safe and sustainable use of space. With RISE, ESA demonstrates a commercial, in-orbit servicing mission that can extend a client satellite's life many years beyond its original design. RISE will approach an operational client satellite, match its trajectory, and dock to it. Then, RISE holds on tight and takes over its orientation and orbit control, making sure it's in the right place and pointing the right way. To perform these tasks, RISE is using complex new technologies for close proximity operations. RISE can take care of the navigation of the client satellite and keep its mission alive for years. Once no longer needed, RISE safely removes the client satellite for disposal in a so-called graveyard orbit. RISE then waits until the next satellite needs support and the next, laying the groundwork for more complex in-orbit services like refueling, maintaining and repairing in space, opening up a new market for Europe.